Hey friends, it's Barefoot Ken here again with another jump rope tutorial video. Today we're going to be talking about proper hand form, where your arms, and specifically your arms, go. You may be wondering why I have a broom here. Well, this is a handy trick that I figured out, how to set your arms when jumping rope, and I'll demonstrate. See, a lot of people like to, whenever they're jumping, they like to position their hands a little too far out here sometimes even. Because I have my rope sized properly, which is about right at the beginning of your sternum, that would make me trip on the rope if my arms were too far out. You want your arms to be in, elbows back, shoulders back, so that you can breathe properly. And that'll give you the proper positioning. However, trying to figure out where this is by yourself can be kind of tricky. So this is where a broom comes in handy. Take the handle, place it behind your back, and put your arms in here. And this should place you about where you should be keeping your hands. It also makes sure that you're not bringing your hands out too far or too back, because then you'll drop them. Right in the middle. I mean, it's impossible to jump this way, but at least you can get a feel for, would I be able to put a broom handle behind my back in order to do this? And you'll find that this is the best place for holding your jump rope, with your elbows back further enough, and this even opens your chest so that you can breathe much better and get better stamina. Let's try it without that. So let me position it where it would be. Right there. That's exactly where it should be.